Hey folks, today we have a very special live broadcasting, live streaming of our ShareNet channel. So we're going to start in about 5 minutes. And today we're very lucky to have Ella. And I'm going to be talking with Ella, and she's going to be giving us some updates on the ShareNet channel and what's going to be coming up next. So for those of you who are watching a recording, you can simply fast forward to the 5 minute mark. And for those of you who are watching this stream live, we will start at 1 o'clock. So that's in about 5 minutes. So stick around and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll be right back. My connection is okay. It's green. See if you can listen. Is there piano music?
So there's a delay, right?
Usually there's like 8 seconds delay. Yeah, roughly.
8 seconds delay.
Yeah. So what you see on the actual YouTube screen compared to what I see, 8 seconds at least. So it's very confusing. Oh, I just did. Yeah, 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Right now, no, still no background music. Still don't hear anything. Schedule stream, so we'll see what happens. The worst part is it conflicts each other. Like you cannot use stream now along with schedule. It conflicts YouTube because live now is Hey folks, welcome to the very first live stream of ShareNet. My name is Ian and I'm joined by Ella. Ella, thank you for agreeing to do this stream. Thank you for basically giving more chance to do live shows. I think live shows are really beneficial for everybody. Now, speaking of ShareNet, I just want to understand that we've been doing ShareNet for how many months now, Ella?
Well, it's, exactly. That is quite, uncanny. That is exactly 4 months to the date.
Exactly 4 months. So we've done a lot of videos, and we've been doing roughly exactly two videos every week. And this is on top of the other stream that is the Get Good series. So RCD's been doing roughly 3 productions every week. So we've been very busy. Speaking of ShareNet, Ella, can you tell us about the purpose of the ShareNet project?
Yep, certainly. So ShareNet, as suggested by its name, share information to the network or network sharing of information. So that is hopefully is a two-directional communication. If you can share some of your information, say what kind of topics you want to hear, to learn of, and let us know. And we, as the producer of the video, we will share the information back to you. So, just to name is to share information and disability-related topics. So this is also important. It is about disability-related topics. We share it with the public and the members of the RCD in a timely and current manner. And of course, on the other hand, we want to increase the publicity of RCD, Richmond Center for Disability, and also to improve our web presence.
Awesome, Ella. Now, Ella, we don't usually stream. And when we stream, usually YouTube gives us a little bit of a notice, because on our main YouTube channel, you see a little box saying live. But usually, we don't do that. So what are the ways for people to find out about our ShareNet schedule?
Yep, that is a very good question, because the schedule is quite busy, and sometimes like people want to listen to some topics that they are interested in. So where can they find our schedules? So we can have a look at slide 1. First of all, if you know our website, if you don't know, you can check the link underneath in the description area, and on the home page you can see a button called ShareNet. And we click on it, and it will lead you to another page, and it shows you all the schedules of the ShareNet program. So because we have been, in work for 4 months, it is difficult for us to list everything out on one page. So we have decided to list is the current month, the immediate past month, and the coming month. And all the other, maybe from 3 months before, then we will put it onto a link, and you can still click it, because they are always, present on the YouTube channel.
In a bit, actually, we will talk about how to navigate the YouTube page effectively. There are some buttons that some of you may not be aware of, but if you click around in our YouTube channel, you can probably explore just about everything.
Yep, definitely. A lot of people actually told me it's very difficult to find things on the YouTube channel, but we'll talk about it in a bit.
Okay, so regarding our ShareNet schedule, a lot of people are very exciting to see new stuff. I mean, what we've been doing is great, absolutely great, but what are some of the new stuff that are coming up, Ella?
Yeah. So if you look at this schedule, sometimes you can look at there's some connection with the video. Say, for instance, in April, we want to start becoming active for summer, so we have Active April. And then based on that, we find that people are actually very interested in knowing more about activities that you can do in the community. So we started the Active Wednesday. So Active Wednesday is last Wednesday of every month. We will put in a topic about how to stay active in the community, or in the different sports and places, and to get exercise and things like that. And the other new thing that we are looking at is we have planned, in July to bring a special topic. So it will be a series of this topic for a few months, and we will do it once a month on the second Wednesday of every month. And starting July 14, we hope to, premiere the sexuality and disability topic. So we are in partnership with a number of organizations who have expertise in this area. So it will be more like a pro chat or peer sharing. So, stay tuned and find out more about that. And from time to time, we also have different theme months or theme day. So although our schedule is usually twice a week, and the coming Saturday, this Saturday will be on June. So with that, this Saturday is the Access Awareness Day. So normally we don't air on the Saturday, but for the special day, we have produced a special video just for you. And the title is Say Yes to Access. So stay tuned. It's also at the same time, 1 p.m. and we will air that. And then if you have time at home or even traveling with your mobile device, you can always watch it. And if it's not possible, watch it afterwards.
Oh, fantastic. So that's what Carmen's been doing, right? So she's busy editing those videos. So that's what she's been doing.
Yes, she's a girl of multi-talent. So we're so glad to have her.
I'm very impressed by just different staff chipping in, doing graphics, doing video editing, doing sound and so on. This is basically RCD going full force in producing these videos. pretty amazing.
Yeah. And that's definitely a teamwork, collective work. And even Ian, always kind of come and help us for the interviews and, different things, technical support. And we are really grateful for that. And because of this collective effort, and as of today, this morning, when I check our YouTube page on the YouTube channel, is our number of subscribers is 220. And the number of views of all our videos are astounding 6,798 views. So, we are very happy with this figure. Of course, there's always room for improvement, and we do need your support to do that.
Yep. So, folks, we're ultimately aiming for that 1,000 subscribers. Just so you know, if you have friends, relatives, friends, and so on, make sure they all subscribe to our channel. Really, it's not so much about the monetization. It's more about unlocking that community page on our YouTube channel, so there will be more options for people to come and go to the forums and stuff like that. So that would be amazing.
So if you want to check the information on the YouTube page, maybe we can have a look at this slide. And Ian, always I've got people telling me, oh, where can you find things on this page? Even they have subscribed to it, but the video that they want to watch is not there. So maybe we can have a look at this slide, and Ian, you can walk us through a little bit, how this the page is organized. Yep. And how do you find information here?
Absolutely. So the funny thing about YouTube is when you first land on the home page, so the most recent videos that are live may not be directly on the home page of the YouTube page. So sometimes it requires you a little bit of a clicking, so you may need to go to the playlist. So this is indicated by the third yellow arrow from the left, playlist. Basically, when you click on playlist, it will be organized by different categories of video. So we have the Get Good video, we have the ShareNet video, and we have recreation, and we have fundraising events and so on. And this is where you will find all of our videos, live or recorded. They will all be found in the playlist area. And for live shows, if you're very interested in live shows, that it's coming on at 1 o'clock, you will have to click on the home button at the very left here. And this is basically when you click on home, at the very top, if there is a live video that's going on, like a live streaming going on, it will be shown at the very top of the page. So if it's not showing up, but you know it's gonna be there, keep refreshing your page. Sometimes staying on the page will not reload and update that information, so you need to continue to refresh that page and hope to see that live streaming is up.
So Ian, so what you mean is the home page is actually the logo, the thumbnail there, which is next to it you can see the number of subscribers. Is that correct?
That's correct. That's the shortcut to go to our home page of our YouTube channel. You can also see below our logo, it is further divided into home, video, playlist, channel. I think this is well, and then there's the about at the very last one. So these are the main sections that you need to go to. Video tab is kind of confusing because it's like the entire, like all of the videos combined together, but it's not organized in a way. So that's why I always suggest clicking on the playlist so that it's divided up in such a way that you can navigate easily.
Yeah, that's right. I tried the video button and click on it. Everything came out, and then you have to sort through all the things, not even the most recent or whatever, so it is good to use the playlist.
So one thing about the video section is if there's a video that we did not insert into a playlist, you can find that in video. But for almost all of our videos right now, we will have it assigned to one of the playlists.
Hey, if you have, you are watching this live and then you have some question, you can type it in the chat, and then we'll try our best to answer that. So, you feel free to ask it for any information. Okay.
Yeah.
And the other one I always, look at that is the, how many the number of views that RCD YouTube channel has. So if you look at that on the taskbar there, that is about. So if you click on about, you actually can see RCD information as well as of the number of views. But Ian, they don't show the number of hours viewed. Is that correct?
That's right. Usually for public access to the video, it only shows the number of views. For administrator such as myself, I can access all the statistics regarding each video. I can see basically where people start logging off or when people started logging in. So I can see a bar, and then I can see the total number of hours being watched. I can see which video is being watched from what area. So the amount of data that is available for me to make analysis is a lot from YouTube. So
that's quite interesting. But is there any importance of the number of hours viewed, or just the number of views that is important to our statistical evaluation?
So to qualify for the community tab in the YouTube page, I will need to have 1,000 subscribers. In addition, I believe there's a requirement of something like 4,000 or 5,000 viewing hours that is logged within 1 year. So these are the requirements that we will need in order for us to qualify for the community page.
Yeah. So, if you're interested in some videos, or you feel free to come back and listen to it again if you want to clarify on some points or, make sure of certain things. And if you forget what that video is about, look at it again. And the other one is, a lot of people also ask me to subscribe and get notification. So what will this, what does this tab mean?
So first of all, subscribe, that's assuming that you have not subscribed. Subscribe button simply means that you are following this group. It's like a follow button, but you will see, if you're accessing from a mobile device, you'll see like a little red icon kind of beside your YouTube app, saying that, oh, there's a new video that came up. So the subscribe basically have you hooked up with all the different channels that you want to be connected with. So it doesn't have to be RCD. You can be subscribed to other channels, and in fact they are all free to subscribe, and you can subscribe as many channels as you want. So for example, I'm using the RCD account. I'm also subscribed to the City of Richmond's account. So in that way, when City of Richmond, they release new videos, I can see that and I get a little notification on the top right. It doesn't pop up, right? But then I can see that there is notification on my top right when I access my own account. And you can do the same with whatever channel you like to.
Mm-hmm. And thank you, Ian, for sharing that, because that is important. Like we always ask people to subscribe, to like us, to share our video, to comment. And that is the reason for doing that. It's not just, we have nothing to do, we just want to talk to you. Of course we do, but we also want to, make our YouTube program more efficient in running. And then it will attract, because, YouTube is very interesting, right? If the video or the channel is popular, they will promote it more. Is that right, Ian?
Yep, that's right. There's certain algorithm that YouTube and Google picks up along the way, and if you search for like computers, all of a sudden all your videos on YouTube will be about computers. So they have a very intelligent way to promote videos that the system thinks that you like to watch. Mm-hmm. So if you search for RCD, for example, you will get more videos related to RCD.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So just following up on this, to promote the RCD ShareNet channel as well as the on YouTube, and we also have Get Good Ad series as well. So we want to kind of help you, and we want to ask you and to promote the RCD ShareNet program. So to do that, we actually can we have done a promo card. So some people are saying, oh, it's so difficult to remember your the YouTube web link, and now you don't need to. Or if you want to share that with your friends, your network, your families, then you say, oh, go and search RCD ShareNet, and then sometimes it's not readily, available, coming to you immediately. So we have done a ShareNet promo card, and you can see that on the screen here. So the card is not big, it's just a business card size. But on the back, that is a QR code. If you have a mobile device that you can actually scan it, and the YouTube channel for RCD ShareNet will come up immediately for that. When we also have included the web link. So feel free to come and get it from RCD front desk, or we can also share it on the I think what we'll do is we can also post it on the RCD website, and you can scan that and you can download it, or you can take a picture of it. Feel free to give this out to anyone you think you want them to listen to some of the topics, and share that and let them just listen to the information shared.
And when in doubt, you can always access the YouTube channel from our webpage. We have links directly from our website, rcdrichmond.org. And that's basically one website that you want to remember the website to. The rest, everything is linked from there.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So the last item we want to talk about is very exciting. For us, that is we have created an RCD ShareNet VIP. Okay, so you can have a look at that. And so first of all, we want to ask people who view our videos and want to have more active participation in, say, deciding on the topics, or giving comments, or even, maybe we will develop some more benefits for the VIP category. So we are starting this, and we hope you will register for it. So to do the registration is very simple. You go to the RCD ShareNet webpage, and on that webpage, and you can see the slide here, and that is a link. It will take you directly, and then they call the ShareNet VIP registration. You click on it, so it will take you to another page for you to register. So we do need to record some information like your name, and your address, your email, phone number, and also your YouTube name. So that is the reason for that. Because the first kind of the fun thing for all our VIP to do is once you have registered and effective tomorrow, June the 1st, then after you have registered as a VIP, which is entirely free, then you will receive a confirmation. Then you start making some comments on the RCD ShareNet videos, and you will win some prizes. So when you have 5 comments written for the our videos, and using, that's why we need your YouTube name so that we know that is you doing that. And the first prize we will give out is actually a moose. So this Canada moose is actually cute, and we will mail it to you, or you can come and pick up from the office. However, this VIP category is open up to everyone watching us on YouTube channel. So some people may be from outside Canada, and we promise that after you have registered, we have the information which will be kept confidential to our database only, and we will mail this to your address wherever you live in the world.
Oh, that's exciting. They get a moose in the mail.
Especially if you are not living in Canada, you might want this moose because it is a symbol of Canada, and then see with Canada written on it. It's just very cute, and so this for the time being, it will be only you will receive the prize once, and from time to time we will refresh the prize and we'll announce it again. Then you can make another comments, and then 5 comments, then you will probably receive another prize.
Wait, hold on. Let me clarify the rules here. Can I just go on and just LOL and ROFL and do all these silly comments? Does that qualify me to receive a prize?
Well, anyway, we are starting on this. So for the time being, whatever you put in is okay. We'll accept that. But we do believe that all our audience are very intelligent, and you will make meaningful comments, of our video, or even give some suggestions or different things. We welcome that. So just write, and let us know what you think, and that I'm sure that you will do a good job.
Excellent. So in fact, I just want to point out that YouTube does a good job filtering out some of the comments. So if YouTube somehow detects your message as a bot message, then it will not show at all.
Oh,
so yeah, sometimes.
What do you mean bot message?
So bot message will be like the message just contains a link, for example, with no other message, or a bot message saying stuff like not nice comments, for example, right? So YouTube automatically filters those out. But if you have comments on the video, and these are comments that will prompt for further discussion, YouTube will definitely allow those.
Mm-hmm. And we welcome that as well. I think
Awesome.
That's pretty much all we want to talk about and updates on ShareNet. So
awesome. I think this is a good time to wrap up. Do we have any questions at all? No questions? Then that's good. Then you folks be sure to check this recording out. This will be on our playlist in the ShareNet section. So for now, this is the time for us to stop, and I'll see you all next week. Have a good one. Bye now.
bye-bye.